in the matter. Third week of July, 24.
My lord, may I request for item number 23, my lord?
24 may be request.
Third week of July.
My lord,
But
July
I'm
will be
seeing-
lifted. By that time, monsoon will approach, my lord.
Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen by that time.
Lord, I'm requesting for item number 23, my lord.
Only first week.
Item number 23.
My lord, I'm requesting for item number 23, my lord. The other side appears to be present in the courtroom, my lord. My lord, in this matter, my lord, I have challenged the order passed by the learned DRT, which is annexed P14 while granting interim protection, my lord. The learned DRT has directed to deposit certain amount of rupees 20 lakh within.
14.
Am I audible, my lord?
Yes, yes.
I am
DRT has
appearing for the
directed.
state from Jabalpur, my lord, by way of WebEx meetings, my lord. In my lord, item number 2 and 3, my lord, the habeas corpus application petitions are there, and the corpus is present. So, my lord, one indulgence I'm seeking from your lordships.
Yes.
Both these corpus are minors, and my lord, they have expressed their intentions to go with their parents, who are the petitioners in both these item number 2 and item number 3.
Who is appearing for the petitioners?
The petitioner councils are also there, my lord, because of this difficulty of audio lag, or my lord, the audio not being sent to Gwalior. My lord, they could not make their submissions. They are both there, my lords.
So what is their stand?
Council in item number 2 is present with me, my lord.
Lordship, I am appearing for the petitioner.
Yes. You are the parents.
Parents are also present.
Petitioner are the
First,
parents.
may interact with the corpus, my lords, if so desired, my lord. The corpus is there, my lords.
Who has brought the corpus? Brought the corpus. Corpus को कौन लेता है? Yes, Mr. Shukla. Corpus.
My lords, Mr. Ajay. Yes, my lords. My lords, the corpus is there, my lords. If my lords would interact, my lords, my lords may ask.
Who has brought the corpus?
इनकी शक्ल दिखा दो, बताइए आप लेके आए?
कौन लेके आया?
जी सर, थाना डोंगरगांव शंकर सिंह सर, नरसिंहपुर।
अच्छा, आप लेके आए इनको?
सर
कौन लेके आया?
हाँ सर
आप लेके
जी,
आए?
महिला आरक्षक मिले।
अच्छा, क्या कहना है आपके आरक्षक सामने है ये?
जी महिला आरक्षक भी साथ में है सर।
आपने इनसे बात की कॉर्पस से?
जी इससे बात करिए, आपने क्या बोल रही है, ये पूछ रहे हैं साहब।
बोल रही है वो?
जी बात कीजिए सर।
क्या कहना है उनका?
वो सर के लिए बोली,
बताइए ना। तो
माता पिता के साथ जाएगी सर।
तो कहाँ चली गई थी फिर ये?
नागपुर में मिली सर।
किसके साथ चली गई थी?
वो है सर धर्मदास यादव है क्या? वो तो सर गिरफ्तार हो गया सर।
Corpus क्या?
Offense has been registered against the abductee, and my lord, in accordance with law, we'll proceed against him. So far as the corpus is concerned, my lord, she has intended to go with her parents.
कहाँ पे कॉर्पस बताइए? क्या नाम है आपका?
रुक्मणी यादव।
क्या उम्र है?
उम्र क्या है?
17 साल।
माता पिता के साथ जाना चाहते हो आप?
जाना चाहते हैं माता पिता।
जाना चाहते हो?
हाँ।
Yes, Mr. Advocate. Mr. Government Advocate.
Lord, yes, my lord.
We will allow the person.
Yes, my lord. My lord, I will hand over the list of staff who has produced the corpus to the steno over here.
Yes.
Reader. All right, my lord. I'll
just hand over the list.
Next, Item number 3 is also a habeas corpus, my lords.
आप लोग ले जाइए.
Okay, इनको माता पिता.
What about item number 3?
My lords, counsel कौन है इसमें? Counsel कौन है? आप मैडम
आ जाइए.
आप बताओ.
सर दिस हैबियस कार्पस सर माइनर है 16 साल की लड़की है ये अभी आ गई हैं
कहाँ जाना चाहती है ये?
कहाँ जाना चाहते हो आप
पापा के साथ।
पापा के साथ? पिटिशनर कौन है इसमें?
मैं सुषमा पाटिल
Petitioner
मदर है सर इनकी
मदर है?
कॉर्पस की मदर है ललिता
तो ये मदर के साथ नहीं जाना चाहती क्या?
इधर खड़ी है।
ये कह रही है फादर के साथ जाएंगे, मदर के साथ नहीं जाना चाहती?
साथ में ही है सर
My lord, they both of them are present here. My lord, the parents are visible in the video right now.
जैसा पहले वाला केस था वैसे ही है.
It's the same. My lord, at Gwalior, my lord, there was a dispute with regard to mother and father. There's no dispute here. My lord. Only a,
चलिए ठीक है, इनका भी ले लीजिए, कौन लेके आया इनको?
ये my lord,
मदर फादर दोनों है
डिटेल्स
I will provide the details, my lord, to the reader for both item number 2 and item number 3, my lord.
ठीक है, ठीक, चलिए डिस्पोज.
All right, my lord, I'm obliged. My lord, then
My lord, may I request for item number 23, my
item
lord?
number 4, my lords, I'm praying for time to produce the corpus, my lords. In item number 4, the corpus has not been produced, my lords.
Item number 4 में how much time? 2 weeks time?
2 weeks time, my lords.
Item number 5.
Number 5. I mean, item number 5.
Lordship. Number 5, my lord, the objection is required. Listed first time.
Objections are to be filed. Take 2 weeks time to the government advocate to file objections. Next, number 6.
Lordship, I am requesting for a mentioning, Lordship. This is a demolition matter, Lordship, that has been.
Number 6,
Number
the
6.
notice has been served, my lord.
Who is appearing for?
Second bill application, there is no urgency at all.
First bill application. This is first bill application.
I kindly appreciate order dated 22/12/2023. The first bill application has been withdrawn.
Appellant is Akhtar Khan.
What does me?
सर ये रिपीट बेल एप्लीकेशंस क्यों आ रही हैं अपने सामने? देखिए एप्लीकेशन में
तो नहीं चाहिए, रिपीट कैसे आएंगे? Just a minute, इसमें ये
अगेंस्ट द लिस्टिंग पॉलिसी
बेल किसकी है? अखिसा की?
6
Lordship, Lordship, I am requesting for mentioning memo, Lordship. I am requesting for mentioning memo, Lordship.
No mention, no
I
mention.
was present in the court, but the audio is not quite clear. But I am requesting a mentioning for demolition matter, Lordship. It is demolition matter, Lordship.
ये बाद में देखेंगे, अभी लिस्ट एग्जॉस्ट कर लीजिए पहले. List after vacation. No worries.
Madam, video.
Item number 6, the counsel for the petitioner 6 time, my lord.
May kindly take it July 2nd July or 3rd July, your lordship.
Which item number?
6. Item number 6.
Yes, my lord. It is first bail application.
List in the month of July, second week of July.
2nd July or 3rd. May kindly take it week commencing 1st July.
Second week of July, madam.
2nd July, oblige. 2nd July, Your Lordship. Oblige.
In number 7, my lord, the objection has been filed.
Yes, who is for 7?
I am appearing for number 7, my lords.
Yes.
For the application for suspension of sentence, my lords. On behalf of appellant number 3, my lords, Anita Bai.
Number 3.
Yes, my lords.
What happened to the
It's the first application, my lords.
what happened to the applications of the other accused?
Sir, no application has been filed by any of the accused.
इसमें क्या urgency है 302 में?
Because she is a lady, that is why
No
they
one
are.
is set on, my lord.
He is suffering life sentence.
She is like convicted for life sentence, my lords.
Come after vacation.
Can it be the last week of June, my lords?
No, last week of June, in the second week of July.
ये इसी तरह की लिस्टिंग है जिसके कारण जो वाकई अर्जेंट है वो पीछे रह जाएंगे और जो अर्जेंसी नहीं है उसी में टाइम निकल जाएगा।
बिल्कुल। चलिए आइटम नंबर 8 में क्या है? आइटम नंबर 8 भी सेम है, लिस्ट इन थर्ड वीक ऑफ जुलाई।
आइटम नंबर 8
The notice is required. The appellant has been convicted under the Atrocity Act, my lord. Objection to.
Objections have been filed.
Objection has been filed, but notice has not been served, my lord.
Notices have not been served.
My lord.
चलिए, government advocate has submitted that notices have not been served upon the complainant. Therefore, 2 weeks time be granted to notices on the complainant. Full stop. And 2 weeks time is granted. List in the third week of July. Next.
आइटम नंबर 9 Mr. Verma.
Maybe taken in the second week of July, Malas, but with the caveat that if no reply is filed, then I may be entitled to press for interim relief. Now, Malas, in a most blatant fashion, the entire state government is supporting a land encroacher who has been found in encroachment pursuant to the High Court's order. He was found in encroachment.
My lords, I appear for respondent number 7, 8, and 9. My lords, I have serious objection for hearing this matter during vacations, my lord. In this matter, the notices were
For
issued in
1.5
June
years, they did not find
2023, my
reply.
lords. Since then, the matter was neither listed nor the petitioner took any effort for hearing. Now, there is no urgency to hear this matter during vacations, my lord.
This is a PL.
Lordship. And by the entire state government is supporting these private respondents, maybe taken in the second week of July, but with the caveat that they may reply to it positively. They haven't filed reply in 1.5 years.
Litigation, this court doesn't hear it during litigation, as there is no urgency in the matter. List the matter in court.
आइटम नंबर
10 हो गया है।
10 हो गया है। 11 Mr. Verma.
Number.
Thank you, your lordship. In this writ appeal, my lord, my writ appeal is solely dismiss the order passed by impugned with sole objection that order passed by the registrar public trust without jurisdiction, because there is no application under section 9 of the MP Public Trust Act has been filed by the respondent in that particular case. The application should have been filed under the prescribed form as per annexure P9. Kindly turn annexure page 27 of my writ appeal.
What is the urgency?
My lord, only limited prayer, my lord, whatever the transaction they will do under the supervision of registrar public trust. That is my only humble prayer. And it would not cause any prejudice to them also.
Urgency, I am asking you.
Agency, they are day to day, they are crores of rupees in the account of trust is there. And they are without any authority, they are misusing that fund. That is the only issue. So whatever they will do under the supervision of registrar public trust.
Urgency, chaliye. List after
my lord, then first week of July may be direct. Kindly appreciate.
For July. Next.
Item number 12.
Yes, item number 12. none, adjourn. 13.
May please, Your Lordship. Lordship, am I audible?
Yes.
Your Lordship, by virtue of this petition, my lords, I'm challenging the arbitrary action of the respondent authority and inaction of the respondent authority in not passing any final order in pursuance of the show cause notice, which is, my lords, at page number 27 of the petition. My lord, brief facts of the petition, if I may be allowed to, my lord, submit brief facts of the petition. What has happened, Your Lordship?
Vacation to hear it during the vacation.
My lords, the urgency is that, my lords, I was given the temporary license to extract and transport minor mineral, which is Muram, which is valid till 18/6/2023. Now, Your Lordship, from past 45 days, my lords, I am not being allowed to extract any minor minerals. And last month, my lord, they issue a show cause notice. I promptly replied to the show cause notice, but 1 month has been passed, my lords, and no final order has been passed on the matter. My limited prayer is that, my lord, they may be allowed to, my lord, pass a final order in pursuance of the show cause notice, and my lord, and they may take record my reply as well as other documents which I have furnished, and this is my limited prayer, my lord.
Yes, state.
My lord, it may be disposed of with a direction.
Yes.
My lord.
Within how much time you will dispose of their?
My lord, within a period of, my lord, since 4 weeks may kindly be given, my lord.
4 weeks?
My lord, I have an objection to that.
My lord, please.
Decided within 3 days.
My lord, this is my prayer. This is my prayer.
A week's time may be given, my lord.
My lord, 3 days time may be granted because 18 है 2024 को मेरी लीज एक्सपायर हो जाएगी, उसके बाद मैं कोई एक्सट्रैक्शन का काम नहीं कर पाऊँ. Even if I am found not guilty, they have already punished me, my lord. 45 दिन से मैं कुछ कर नहीं पा रहा हूँ, और the rule says that without giving any opportunity.
Mr. Rajput, just a minute. Representation का जो show cause notice के pursuance में जो proceedings हैं, that should be decided within a period of 7 days. Disposed of.
My lord.
Item number 15, Mohammed Riaz.
None adjourned. Next. 15, PIL. चलिए, no urgency list after vacations.
Last to 17 amendment.
Item number 16.
To magistrate given country.
15. Item number 15. Item number 15. There is urgency, Lordship. My audible?
वो अंदर आ रहे हैं.
Item number 15.
PIL है, after vacation list कर दिया है. 16
There is urgency, Lordship. The respondents are not drawing their own inquiry report was submitted, Lordship, and in inquiry it was found that there is certain irregularity, and it was directed to cure the same, but without curing the defect, Lordship, they are again continuing in the construction.
PIL है, इसमें कोई urgency नहीं है. List after vacation. Mr. नामदेव, दूसरा कॉल कीजिए. There is no urgency in this. 16.
May I audible, my lord?
Yes. Yes, Mr. Sharma.
My lord, I am appearing in serial number 16.
Yes.
In this matter, my lord, my agricultural land is sought to be acquired by the respondent, my lord, for the purpose of construction of national highway. Now, a proposed notification of 26/4/24 has been published by them, my lord, wherein if my lord would take 5 for a moment, my lord, that would make the entire picture clear. Against my land is in the shape of a strip, my lord. Now, the government land opposite to my land is already existing. That is about 50 meters width. There is no curve. I have raised the objection that why are you not using that land which is situated opposite to my land, and
Yes.
that is the old road existing. Instead of that, my lord, they are acquiring my land. My lord, may kindly have a look to page number 26, my lord. That will make the picture clear, my lord.
You represent
This, my lord, serial number 115.
Mr. Sharma.
My lord.
Have you represented the government?
I have represented, my lord, that is P3, my lord. I have
What
raised a
to that?
detailed objection, my lord, that there is already government land is existing. And
What they have done to that?
I beg your pardon, my lord.
What they have done to your representation?
No, they have not action, my lord. We have raised many objections, my lord. I have filed an exhibit.
Yes. Yes, state.
So the National Highway appears to be the contesting party in this case, my lord, because the land is acquired by National Highway.
Who is appearing for National Highway?
We have served,
Mr. Mohan's
my lord.
notice will be required to be issued.
Council of
There is a panel now. Shri Mohan Sosarkar normally appears, my lord, for National Highway in Jabalpur.
Yes. So ask him to decide the representation.
My lord,
in fact, if they publish final notification, my lord, within few days, then I would be left with nothing, my lord. Whereas, my lord, already a government road is of meter is already existing. On the other side, if my lord would see page number 27 for a moment, this is the map that has been published by them. Now my land would become a small only. The other side is government land, which is not there. They are not acquiring, my lord. Had there been a turn or convert or something of that kind, which would have made my land necessarily to be acquired, my lord, that would have made the
National Highways.
We have served to them, my lord.
So, Mr. Sharma, don't you have any remedy under the National Highways Act?
My lord, in fact, that would come when they publish final notification, but that would be a reference only, my lord. Then nothing would remain, my lord.
At present, what notification has been issued under 3A?
My lord, P is under section 3D. And this is the proposed publication which they have shown to the public. Then in response to this, I have made P3. My lord may dispose this petition of my lord by saying that they may decide petition by speaking on.
Where is the provision of raising objections?
My lord, that is, in fact, my lord, this by way of this 26 notification, that is itself shows, my lord, that they have demonstrated to the public that they are going to acquire these lands, my lord. And my lands are at serial number 567, my lord.
So whether they have issued the notification under 3D?
This is, my lord, may see P6, my lord, for a moment.
Yes, this is a notification under which provision?
3A.
It is 3A.
Yes, my lord.
So you have an opportunity to file objections under 3C.
That we have filed, my lord, that is P3, my lord. They have not taken any action on this P3, my lord.
In pursuance to the notification dated 26th of April 2024, issued by respondent number so and so, National Highway Declaration Council respondent. The petitioners have preferred of their objections, and the said objections are still pending with respondent number so and so, and they have not taken a decision and has not heard on the said objections. Limited prayer has been made by the council for the petitioner. Letter of corrections are issued to the National Highways Authority, respondent number so and so, to decide the objections taken by petitioners. The grievance of the petitioner would be redressed.
My lord, they may give us an opportunity of before deciding about it.
Yes, they will decide it in accordance with law.
My lord, we will appear authority.
So, कौन अपीयर होता है नेशनल हाईवेज की तरफ से?
Mr. Mohan Sosarkar.
So and so who usually appears for
मेरे पास है बस करो ना कंटिन्यू हाँ करो ना
is directed to take notice on behalf of on its behalf to the innocuous fair made by for the petitioners. This petition is disposed of in the direction to respond number 2 to decide the objections as raised after giving the petitioner's opportunity of hearing in person or by representative and reason whether period 3 weeks. Dispose of.
My lord. My lord, may I submit, my lord? I am appearing for the petitioner in serial number 17, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the urgency in this case is that if my lord will appreciate the application for taking documents on record, which was filed on 5th June 24, my lord, it's where the examination timetable was annexed and the exam is supposed to be commenced on 1st of July 2024. It's an exam of LLB semester, old course.
Yes.
My lord, this case has been filed by the student association before this honorable court on the ground that, my lord, with a limited relief for declaring the result of the students who are petitioner who are appeared in the exam in year 2022, my lord.
Yeah.
The entire
My lord,
case is that.
My lords, I appear for the respondent number 224, the university herein, my lords.
Yes.
If I am audible and visually also available, my lord. Their petition, we say, not maintainable, my lord. An association has filed this petition. If lordship could see, there is no consent of the student, as well as, my lord, it is directly in contraventions to the judgment passed Prabhat versus Barkatullah University, wherein the list of the members have to be enclosed by them. They just cannot come up like this and file a petition on behalf of anybody, claiming anything only.
May I submit, my lord, the objection raised by my learned friend? My lord, we in the morning, with the permission of the court, we have already filed the resolution and the list of members on record.
Then they should supply it to me. Lordship may keep it in the next week. Probably, my lord, the benches would also be available physically. So it would be more.
My lord, my humble submission is it may be kept on Thursday. Meanwhile, we will supply the copy of resolution as well as the.
My lord, the next week on Thursday, my availability is doubtful. And what they are asking their relief is to stop examinations. What kind of petitions they are coming up with in the name of PIL for stopping examinations of the universities?
My lord, the reason is that because they are not declaring the result for which we have already appeared in the exam, and there is no reason. There is no reason given by them, in spite of our representation being submitted to the vice chancellor.
No, that's the vice chancellor is the one who decides
the entire year will be wasted of a student.
No. It is the registrar. The vice chancellors don't take decisions with regard to administration. He should not have been in the past.
We have given the representation to registrar also, my lord. If my learned friend has an objection, I have already filed a resolution, copy of resolution, as well as with the list of members who have authorized the person.
Just a minute.
And my lord, students are not coming. It is because they want to get political mileage.
Pandit, just a minute. Today, learned counsel for the petitioner. Today, on behalf of the petitioner, certain documents have been filed, the copies of which have not been supplied to the council appearing for the contesting respondents. He praised that documents will be supplied and a short adjustment, a short time may be given to go through the documents. The request of counsel for the respondent number. You are for 3 and 4.
I appear for 2 to 4, my lord.
2 to 4. List the matter in the next week.
Much obliged.
I'm appearing for the state, my lords. I'm sorry, my lords, I'm making out of turn request. My lords, the corpus in item number 4 has also been recovered, my lord. They have, as we speak, my lord, they have come to court. And if my lords may kindly.
Lord, I am appearing in item number 18. Kindly take up item number 18, my lord.
Yes, I'm making a request for item number 4, my lords, habeas corpus.
I will take it in the second round.
Item number 18, Ravindra Chaturvedi.
Yes,
Yes, my lord. I'm appearing in item number 18.
Yes.
My lord, this matter pertains to my lord not accepting my resignation, my lord. I'm an employee at District Court R, my lord. As per terms and condition of my appointment, my lord, there is a specific clause that by giving a 1 month notice or submitting salary of 1 month, these services can be ended. My lord, kindly turn to page 65, my lord. Annexure P5 of the service conditions.
Yes. Who appears for the respondents?
My lord, I have supplied copy to Mr. Khalid Fakhruddin as per the last order, my lord.
My lord, I am appearing for respondent number 1. Respondent, my lord, in this case.
Yes, what is your stand?
My lord, I pray for time to file reply.
Reply.
Because the resignation has been rejected and order has been passed. So we'll have to justify that.
My lord,
Reply in this.
How much
for a
time will you
moment, my lord, may kindly see for a moment the terms and conditions, my lord. And the impugn order as well, my lord.
Service matters are being listed in the vacation code.
My lord, it has been listed by the order of the honorable court on the last date, my lord.
No, I think it has no urgency at all.
My lord, I have been selected in other exam. I need NOC, my lord, and they are not really relieving me from here, my lord. There, it may kindly be kept on 17th if it is not.
Not at all. It should be listed after summer vacation.
My lord, I can be called at any time by the other department where I have been selected in the month of February, my lord.
Mr. Counsel, staff, you will have to show your urgency. Otherwise, you are wasting time of your colleagues only. Nothing else.
My lord, may kindly list it in the first week of the July, my lord. If I have urgency.
Yes.
Anyways, if my lord.
The respondent phrase for 2 weeks' time to file response to the petition. List the matter in the first week of July.
Obliged, ma'am.
Item number 19, Sri Anand Sahu.
I please your lordship. I am challenging annexure P6, that is the order of blacklisting, page 28, my lord. This matter was listed on 31st May 2024. This honorable court has directed the state to update the status whether show cause notice has been issued to me. My ground is that without issuing any show cause notice, the order of blacklisting was passed against me.
Yes.
And my lord, the urgency, the matter of urgency is this, my lord. One tender annexure P8 was.
Yes. You're not audible, Mr. Shekhar. I'm not able to hear you.
My sole ground is in this matter, my lord. Annexure P6, page 28, that is an order of blacklisting, my lord, that has been issued without issuing any show cause notice to me, my lord. And on 31st May, this honorable court has directed the state to seek instruction, my lord, with respect to whether any notice has issued or not, my lord. My only urgency is this, my lord. Annexure P8, my lord, whereby work has required to be, in which I am L1 and that is required to be allotted to me. Because of this impugn order, they are not going to allot me, my lord. And now they are in the process of cancelling it, my lord. So my respectful submission, there are already instruction to the state, my lord, and they have to furnish, my lord, because order says they have not issued any notice to me.
Lord, I am appearing for the state, my lord. I have instructions, my lord. A notice dated 20th of February 2023 was issued to him. I have that notice in my hand, my lord. We will file a short reply in this regard, my lord. And this blacklisting was done way back in September 2023, and this petition has been filed in May 24, my lord.
Yes.
Because of this awarding of the work, my lord, I am filed this, my lord.
Actually, at the request of counsel for the state, 2 weeks' time is granted to file reply to the petition.
Kindly allowed to this in the week of July, second or first week of July.
List the matter in the week commencing 15th of July.
Item number 19, Sri Anand Bhushan Sahu.
ये तो हो गया 19 तो हो गया ऑलरेडी
19 हो गया
आइटम नंबर 20
Item number 20,
Am I audible, sir?
Yes.
Well, this is an appeal in form of a bail application under the provisions of NI Act, whereby the applicants have been arrested for offences under section 120B, 153, 153B, 295A of the IPC and under section 13, 17, 18, 22, 20, 38, 39, 40 of the Unlawful Activities Act.
Yes.
My lord, I am on behalf of the respondent, my lord. My lord, I am praying for a week's time, my lord, to file wakalatnama and 3 weeks time to file the objection, my lord. Written objection needs to be filed, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, could it be any time after in the first week or second week of the vacation, regular working, my lord?
Council for the Council for Union of India prays for 3 weeks time, a week's time to file wakalatnama as well as two weeks further time to file response. Fictions. Full stop. As prayed, 3 weeks time is gone.
Some week commencing of second week may, if possible, to be given, sir.
List the matter in the week commencing 8th of July.
Yes, sir, my lords.
Both the matters.
The matters go on simultaneously, sir.
Yes.
Thank
Item number 21, 21.1.
Lord, am I audible? Item number 21, your lordships.
Yes, you are.
My lords, these are writ appeals. My lord, I have challenged the order of the learned single judge, wherein an award was passed by the tribunal, my lord, and relief was given to only 2 workers. The reference was with regard to 389 workers, my lord. Now, before the tribunal, we had raised an objection that the statement of claim has been filed by 1 person, and in reply to that, a rejoinder was filed, my lord, stating that the statement of claim has been filed on behalf of all the workers, my lord. Now, that is annexure P6 in the writ petition. If your lordship is kind enough to see the lower court's record in the ERP, my lord. Annexure P6.
So now, what is the urgency?
Urgency is, my lord, my right to close file WS has been closed by the learned tribunal and the matter is kept on 28th of June. So my only submission is now 28th June, he'll proceed further, my lord, with the evidence and all. So the order of remand which I am challenging will become infructuous, my lord, if he proceeds with the evidence, my lord. So
how the order of remand is prejudicing you?
Prejudicing me, my lord. First of all, no one in the first round, no one came before the learned tribunal, my lord. No objection was raised that we have not been served. In fact, a specific reply has been filed by the workers saying that I am representing everyone. There is evidence stating to persons that we have been authorized by all the workers and we are representing everyone. When there's a specific assertion on the evidence as well as in the rejoinder, my lord, there was no occasion for the tribunal to issue notice to the others, and there was no occasion for them to say that we have not been served.
The delay has been condoned in this matter or not?
My lord, there's a delay of 14 days, my lord.
The notices will have to be issued?
Notices have been issued on the last date, my lord. Subsequent to that, I had filed just before the vacation. The matter had come up before my lords, my lord, and my lords were pleased to direct it to before vacation, my lord. So my only
respondents.
My lord, I have served the advance copy. No one is appearing, my lord. My only submission is if your lordship can keep that hearing of 28th on hold and fix it in first or second week of July per my lord's convenience. Because if on 28th of June, my lord, 28th of June, if tribunal proceeds further, my lord, then my rights would get affected, my lord. That is why the urgency.
Well, the report is that twice notices have remained unserved.
Lord, because we have given, as per the High Court rules, we have given to the counsels who had appeared in writ petition, my lord. So, and services have been given to those counsels who had filed in the writ petition who were there, my lord. That acknowledgement is there, my lord.
But the notices have been returned unserved on the party.
Because there's no address, my lord. Even before the tribunal, there was no address. Even in High Court, whatever address was there, we had served it on those, my lords. So if my only submission is that the hearing on 28th of June can be stayed by the tribunal. I'm not saying permanent stay, only 28th June. And if your lordship can list it on first or second week of July, as per my lord's convenience, my lord, then my rights would be protected, my lord, and they would not as such be prejudiced, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Dwivedi.
जी सर.
क्या कह रहे हैं?
सर विटनेस गवाही अगर हो रही है, गवाह विटनेसेस के स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड होते हैं, इससे इनका राइट कैसे अफेक्ट हो जाएगा?
मेरा डब्ल्यूएस फाइल नहीं हुआ सर. मैंने चैलेंज किया रिमांड बैक ऑर्डर, तो मेरा डब्ल्यूएस भी आएगा, फिर भी तो मेरी गवाही आएगी सर. मेरा डब्ल्यूएस राइट,
अगर आपको जो है मौका मिलता है तो आप निश्चित रूप से आपकी गवाही जो है मौका मिलेगा आपको.
पर सर मेरा डब्ल्यूएस भी तो फाइल होना है सर ट्राइब्यूनल में. मेरा डब्ल्यूएस तो उन्होंने राइट ही क्लोज कर दिया सर, क्योंकि आई फाइल्ड अपील मच बिफोर द ट्राइब्यूनल हैड प्रोसीडेड. तो they had closed my, because my WS was also required to be there, my lord. If my appeal succeeds, my lord, then the whole tribunal proceeding goes.
Mr. Nair, you were able to procure the stay order on the very first day. Why should
Because
we,
on the first day,
stay now?
my lord, because of this tribunal proceedings. Otherwise, I would not, my lord, because had my right not been closed and had the tribunal not kept the matter on 28th of June, I would have not requested even, my lord. But because of these circumstances, I'm forced to do it, my lord. Because notices were issued much before I had paid the PF in time, my lord, and I have also served the copies on the council who had appeared in the writ petition, but still no one is appearing, my lord.
Chali. As per the submissions made by the counsel, senior counsel for the petitioner, the notices have been served upon the counsel who has appeared on behalf of the respondents before the tribunal. The services notice on respondents is concerned, same has been served. The senior counsel has made a submission that the next day before the tribunal is 20th of June.
20th of June.
Is 20th of June. And on that date, evidence of this would be recorded. And if allowed to go on. Mr. Nair, there is another question of integrity of the writ appeal.
My lords have time. There are 3 writ petitions decided together. I had filed under 226. My lord, the company had also preferred the writ petition, and the direction passed by lordships is under 226. My lords, and my lords have time and again held. Even if it is styled at 227, the order has to be seen whether it is under 226. A full bench judgment of our court, my lord, the Honorable Apex Court, time and again has held that even if its order is passed in a petition 227, you have to see the contents, my lord, whether power exercise is 226 or 227. So therefore, my petition is maintainable, and my writ petition, which I had filed against the relief given to 2%, that has also been disposed of. That was under 226, my lord.
The council has made a submission before the trigger date 26, 2024, and on that date, the evidence of the party will be recorded. And if the proceedings allowed to go on,
the prejudice would be caused to the petitioner, to the appellant, as there is no written statement of the appellant on record. Also, it was the state that till the next date of hearing, if the proceedings before the tribunal are stayed, the rights of the appellant would be safeguarded. Next one. After hearing the counsel for the petitioner, this court finds force in his arguments. Accordingly, the proceedings before the which tribunal?
Central Government Industrial Tribunal, my lord. CGIT.
So and so is hereby stayed till the next date of hearing.
Much obliged.
List the matter in the first week of July.
Much obliged.
In the meanwhile, counsel for the appellant is also directed to pay fresh process and get the respondent served. Next.
Serial number 22, Sri Vijay Raghav Singh.
Lord, I am appearing for the petitioner, my lord. On the last date of hearing, show cause notice was issued to the respondent authority. My lord, they are not giving me the salary of the March, April, and May month, my lord.
Yes. So why contempt has been listed in the vacations?
My lord, I am not getting salary, my lord. I am hand to mouth, my lord.
Notices have been served upon respondents.
Yes, my lord. AG office is present, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, probably on the last date, advance notice was given to the council appearing Shri Anubhav Jain, my lord. I'll inform him, my lord. He will file the response or the compliance report as the case may be.
Counsel for the respondent contemnus prays for 3 weeks time to file response to the content petition. As per 3 weeks time is
my lord.
list in the week commencing. Next.
Serial number 23, Sri Sunil Kumar Jain.
May I please, my lord, I am in this petition, my lord. I have challenged the order of the learned DRT, my lord. There are two orders which are at his annexure P8 and P14, my lord. White P8, my lord, and stay order was granted in my favor, subject to depositing 20 lakh rupees in 4 installments, my lord, which find place at page number 57, my lord. These installments were to be deposited before 18th of May 2024, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, I have filed an application for extension of time, my lord, which was partly, I have only asked for an extension of time for payment of 1 month, my lord. Although, my lord, first installment of rupees 5 lakh was deposited within time, my lord. It is admitted, my lord. Remaining three installments of 15 lakh, my lord, as per the order of the learned DRT was to be deposited, my lord. I have filed an application which was partly allowed, my lord. And by then, my lord, the learned DRT was pleased to consider that the 2 installments which were not paid on time, court has said कि आप 13 मई के पहले वो जमा कर दे और 18/5 तक आप बाकी जमा कर दें. Now, my lord, my respectful submission is my prayer before the learned DRT was कि मैं 18 जून के पहले जमा कर दूंगा, and I am ready to pay rupees 15 lakh which is remaining within 3 days, my lord. Within now urgency in this matter is that, my lord, because the Tehsildar has issued the notice for taking physical possession of the residential house, my lord, which is of the residential house, and he is going to take possession on 12th of June, my lord, day after tomorrow, my lord. And I am ready to deposit the remaining 15 lakh within two days, my lord.
Yes, who is for the respondents?
My lord, I am appearing for the respondent, my lord, in this case, my lord.
Yes.
My submission would be, my lord, that there is an alternate remedy under section 18 to go before the DRAT, my lord.
Yes.
I have replied to it, my lord. And I have annexed certain judgments of this court and Supreme Court also, my lord, where it has been held that there is an alternate remedy. So they may approach the Honorable DRAT for any grievance, my lord, they have. My second submission would be, my lord, that there was an order to deposit 20 lakhs. They have abided the order by paying first installment. So
Yes.
on the order. So now they cannot challenge this the order, my lord, that the order passed by the DRT is wrong because they have acted upon it. My lord. They have paid first set of payment, my lord.
Yes.
So my two submissions would be, my lord, first there is an alternate remedy. Second, there is an estoppel because they have paid certain amount. If they were agreed by the order of DRT, they should.
My lord, to the first submission of my learned friend, my lord, I would submit my respectful submission, my lord. The alternate remedy of appeal is not an efficacious remedy for the reason, my lord. The order which I am challenging is the payment, the condition of payment, my lord, and I am asking for extension of time, my lord. Now, my lord, for approaching before the Honorable DRAT under section 18 of the SARFAESI Act, my lord, there is a precondition of depositing 50% or 25%, my lord, 25 to 50%, my lord. Now, my lord, if I would be asked to deposit it 25%, my lord, what would be the, my lord, the order will, the remedy will not be efficacious, my lord, and my grievance will render infructuous, my lord. Therefore, my lord, and even otherwise also, my lord, if my lord may permit, my lord, there is a judgment of the coordinate bench, my lord. A similar kind of order was challenged, my lord, relying on the judgment of the Honorable Apex Court recently passed in the matter of Godrej Sarali, my lord. If my lord may permit, may I share the screen, my lord, of those judgments, my lord?
Yes.
Is my lord visible to this judgment, my lord?
Yes.
This is MP 3786 of 2023, my lord, which in this case also, my lord, the similar kind of order was challenged, my lord. My lord may kindly see this the page which is visible, which is visible in the screen, my lord. The learned DRT-wide impugned order did not at all consider the aforesaid questions and came to the conclusion that the question raised can only be decided at the time of final hearing. However, without granting any interim relief to the petitioner, certain conditions have been laid down for depositing the rupees of 2 crores within 3 months in 6 equal installments. Being agreed by the aforesaid order dated so and so, the present petition has been filed. Now, my lord, the honorable coordinate bench, my lord, relying on the judgment of the honorable apex court, that is, which is passed in the matter of Godrej Sarali, which is reported in 2023 Live Law SC 70, my lord. The coordinate bench was pleased to entertain the similar nature petition, my lord, wherein the order of imposing condition was challenged, my lord, because as an exception was carved out, my lord, and this petition was entertained, my lord. So what my respectful submission is, my lord, since under section 18, my lord, I was required to deposit at least 25%, my lord, 50 to 25% I was required to deposit, and in that case, my lord, and in that case, my lord, I would be my grievance would render infructuous. Now, my lord, second submission in respect of the stopple as far as that is concerned, my lord. Now, my lord, I am giving up my the grounds, my lord, which I have raised in my petition for challenging the original order of imposing condition to deposit 20 lakhs, my lord, and I am ready to deposit 20 lakhs within 3 days, my lord. I am not asking for anything else, my lord, only within 3 days, my lord, as I have prayed before the learned DRT that I will pay the remaining amount of 15 lakh before 18th of June, my lord. Within only 1 month time I have asked for, my lord, and I am go down to that. I'm ready to keep my words before the learned before the learned DRT, and I am ready to deposit, my lord, within 2 or 3 days I will deposit surely, my lord.
What is the entire amount?
So, my lord, entire amount as per the notice was 75 lakh, my lord. Therefore, the learned DRT was pleased to grant.
Today there is 88 lakhs. As
my lord, after deposit, my lord, 75 lakh was at in the DM order, my lord. What they are asking for, my lord, is in a huge amount, my lord. Since, my lord, on a learned DRT wide its order, which is challenged in this case, my lord, the amount was ordered to be deposit 20 lakh. And, my lord, I have prayed for the extension of time purely on the medical grounds, my lord, because, my lord, applicant number 1, my lord, he's a 70% disabled person, my lord, or in post, sir, and he and his father both are suffering from a disease called ankylosing spondylitis, my lord, जिसके कारण उनके हिप रिप्लेसमेंट हुए और अभी कुछ दिन पहले his father has got an cardiac arrest, my lord. Therefore, looking to all these situations, my lord, I have to seek an extension of time, my lord, and that too, my lord, we have anyhow arranged the amount, my lord, and ready to deposit, my lord. So what my respectful submission is, the house which they are going to take possession is a residential house, my lord. So I humbly request, my lord, that time which was granted by the learned DRT till 18th May may kindly be extended, my lord, and we will deposit the remaining 15 lakh amount within 3 days, my lord.
Yes.
My submission would be, my lord, if my lord may see the extension of time application which they filed before the DRT, they sought additional time, my lord. Now, as per the schedule, my lord, which has been fixed by the DRT, their second and third installment is to be paid on 18/4/2024 and 3/5/2024. So, as per their application, their 1 month time has been passed.
Yes.
The second installment is to be paid on 18/4/2024, which they have breached. Now, this third installment was to be paid on 3/5/2024. They have breached. So, as per their application, they were only seeking for extension of 1 month time. So, my lord, with respect to second and third installment, that time has already been passed. So, if they are bona fide, they wanted to pay the money, they should have paid for it.
So how much amount they were required to pay in the second or third installments?
5 lakhs. 5 lakhs each, man. The remaining 15 lakhs I have to pay, my lord. First, all 4 installments are of 5 lakh, my lord, as per the order. And I have paid the first installment of 5 lakh within time as per the direction of the learned DRT, my lord. Then, my lord, since we could not arrange due to medical emergencies and all, my lord, therefore we moved an application for extension of time by 1 month, my lord. Now, my lord, 1 month from the last installment, 18th month, is to be over on 18th of June, my lord. And I'm ready to deposit entire 15 lakhs, my lord. Entire 15 lakhs before just 2-3 days, my lord. I'm not asking for 18th also, my lord.
Let me check, right?
My lord, I have also annexed the documents regarding of my the medical issues, my lord, which the family members have faced, my lord, in the last year, my lord. It's in the entire year, my lord, and in fact, my lord, last month also, my lord, that those documents I could not file, my lord. Just before 10 to 15 days just prior, my lord, his father, who is applicant number 3, my lord, he has also suffered, and again, my lord, he has suffered a cardiac issue and he was hospitalized for few days, my lord. So what my respectful submission, my lord, since I have arranged, I'm not asking for anything. I'm also giving up the grounds which I have raised raised to challenge the order of imposing condition, my lord. Since I have applied for extension of time, I bow down to that, my lord, since I am stopped from questioning the validity of the order of imposing condition, since I have deposited rupees 5 lakh. Not I'm ready to deposit 15 lakh.
Yes, Mr. Devedi.
इनका पुराना कंडक्ट देखते हुए सर मुझे तो नहीं लगता है कि इनको कोई समय दिया जाना चाहिए। और ये क्या जो काउंसिल आर्ग्यू कर रहे हैं मेडिकल ग्राउंड पे, ये मेडिकल ग्राउंड इनका व्यक्तिगत हो सकता है, लेकिन ये कोई इनके कानून में दिया हुआ इस तरह का है कि इनकी मेडिकल इमरजेंसी है, इनका हिप रिप्लेसमेंट हो गया, इनको ये परेशानी हो गई, इसके आधार पर टाइम एक्सटेंड कर दिया जाए। डीआरटी का कानून बहुत ही सोच समझ कर बनाया गया है और पूरे पैसे सिक्योर्ड क्रेडिटर्स हैं, उनकी सही समय पर टाइम पर वसूली हो जाए, इसलिए बनाया गया है।
My lord, I bow down to that, my lord. But what my respectful submission is, my lord. First, my lord, I am only asking for 1 month extension, my lord, not more than that, my lord. And I am ready to comply the condition, my lord. Since there is a residential house, my lord, then the purpose is the recovery, my lord, which I am doing, my lord, and I am and I'm also trying to because, my lord, the important thing is that, my lord, the provisions of section 13(8), my lord, provides the right of redemption, my lord, and that right of redemption survives till the publication of auction sale, my lord, which is not yet done, my lord. So, my lord, till that period, my lord, even as per the provision of Surface Act, I have the right to right of redemption, my lord, to get my property redeemed from the mortgage by paying the entire amount, my lord. So, looking to the scenario today, my lord, since I am also ready to pay the amount, my lord, and my right of redemption is still survives, my lord, in light of provisions of section 13(8), because वो सर हमारा publication of sale notice तक रहेगा सर.
My lord, in that case, they may directed to deposit entire amount, my lord.
That would be till the time, my lord. That would be till the time, my lord. That would be till the time when they will publish the sales notice, my lord. Therefore, my lord, as per the mandate of the several judgments of the Honorable Apex Court, including one of the case, my lord, that is Matthew Varghese, my lord. In that matter also, my lord.
Mr. Jain, according to you, how much amount is required to be paid by you?
My lord, 15 lakh as per the direction of the Honorable Court.
15 lakhs, not. I'm asking the entire amount.
My lord, entire amount, my lord, हमने इनको अभी recently कल ही एक OTS proposal 50 लाख का दिया है.
Has been rejected, my lord. We will
पेमेंट कितना करना है आपको ये बताइए.
मतलब हमको मतलब एज पर हमने 50 लाख का दिया है मतलब इनको प्रपोजल की 50 लाख हम विद इन 3 मंथ्स दे देंगे एंड दैट प्रपोजल इज स्टिल टू बी कंसीडर्ड माय लॉर्ड. सो माय रिस्पेक्टफुल सबमिशन इज माय लॉर्ड, मैं ये 15 लाख रुपए 3 दिन में जमा कर देता हूँ. मीनवाइल दे में कंसीडर माय रिक्वेस्ट माय लॉर्ड. वी विल नेगोशिएट विद द बैंक आल्सो माय लॉर्ड. जो रिमेनिंग अमाउंट वो बोलेंगे दे आर आस्किंग फॉर 75 लाख माय लॉर्ड. दे आर आफ्टर
डिपॉजिट 25 lakhs.
My lord 5 lakhs I have already deposited, my lord. 15 lakhs की हमने अभी 3 दिन की
5 lakhs, then we will consider, otherwise we will dismiss your petition.
My lord, my respectful submission is 15 लाख में 3-4 दिन में कर देता हूँ. बाकी 10 लाख के लिए मुझे एक महीने का समय और दिलवा दें सर.
Just tell me right now, tell us right now whether you are depositing 25 lakhs or not.
My lord 15 lakh, my lord 15 lakh I will deposit it within 3 days, my lord. 10 lakh within 30 days, my lord.
Dismiss.
My lord, my respectful submission is 10 lakhs within 13 days. My 10 to any time, my lord. For remaining 10 lakhs, my lord, I will deposit 25 lakh, my lord. But 10 lakh के लिए थोड़ा सा समय दे दें. सबसे मैं I will deposit it positively, my lord. I will undertake to deposit it, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, I will be left nowhere to go, my lord. Then, my lord.
Dismiss. चलिए.
मतलब 25 lakhs के लिए फिर आप समय बता दें. मतलब मैं काइंडली कब तक.
Serial number 25.
My lord 25. My lord, my respectful submission is 25 lakh. में within
25 lakhs. It is item number 25.
My lord, within a week I will do it, my lord. My lord, may kindly consider within a week I will do it.
Don't argue. 25.
My lord, am I audible?
My lord,
I
there is,
25.
I am sorry, my lord. I humbly request, my lord, since it is a matter. My
item number 25.
Yes, my lord, I am in 25, my lord. Am I audible, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, the urgency of the matter is, my lord, that the petitioner is a law college since 1961, my lord. We started 5-year course, my lord, in 2005. And now we last year started BBA LLB and BCom LLB courses, my lord. At page 42, my lord, university granted us affiliation, my lord, after due inspection, and that was subject to approval by BCI. Now BCI has to conduct inspection. Now the affiliation granted by the university under the rules is for a period of 1 year. Now that 1 year is expiring, my lord, on 30th of June 2024. Now the position with us is, my lord, that if BCI does not inspect our college formally, we have already, as per the permissions given by the state government, university, my lord, and the BCI, my lord, we have conducted the BBA LLB and BCom LLB courses, and first semester, my lord, results are not being declared. Second semester, they are not holding the exam. And because of the 30th June, my lord, the next session of the second year of these courses, that will not start. So the my lord, we are making a very innocuous prayer, my lord. We have deposited, my lord, long ago, more than, my lord, 1.5 years ago, the fee of BCI for inspection, that was about 18 lakh rupees, my lord. We are only praying for a direction, my lord, that BCI should conduct an inspection of our college, my lord, and pass necessary orders before the cutoff 30th June date, my lord. Otherwise, the entire future of the first year BBA LLB and BCom LLB students, second year, my lord, their fate and the second session will all be jeopardized, my lord. That is the very innocuous relief, my lord. Only a direction for BCI to do the needful, my lord. And we have represented wide annexure P5 and P6, my lord.
Who is appearing for BCI?
Lord, I am appearing for BCI, my lord. Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
My lord, see annexure P5 is the by the 29/12/2022. The date is important. And as per schedule 13 at page 96, my lord, it has to reach on 31st of December, my lord.
Yes.
It has not reached us before 31st of December, my lord.
Yes. When you have received that?
My lord, I am on advance notice, my lord. I will be filing reply.
Okay.
My lord, may I just show one thing, my lord? My lord, the page 99, 100 and 101 is the receipt of, my lord, 30th December, my lord. This is, kindly allow me to share, my lord. The receipt of deposit of 18 lakh rupees with BCI, my lord, on 13th December 2022.
Yes.
That is well before time. My lord, nobody would deposit 18 lakh rupees and not apply to the BCI for inspection, my lord. 18 lakhs is the fee we have deposited. That your lordship would find the receipts, my lord, at page 99, 100 and 101.
Mr. Nagarath.
My lord.
The inspection was for which period?
23-24, not the current session.
23-24.
Yes.
The fees was required to be deposited before December 22.
That is on record at page 99, 100 and 101, my lord.
That has been deposited.
Yes, yes, that is on the bank statement, bank certificate has been filed, my lord. And my lord, my friend is sharing the courier receipt of BCI, my lord, on 30th December, lordship would see, my lord.
Yes. So that too was prior to
Yes,
the cutoff date.
Yes, yes, my lord. As I respectfully said, my lord, nobody would deposit 18 lakh rupees for inspection without applying, my lord.
This is the on which it was fetched.
They just want their whatever inspection you conduct to be done and to pass a reasoned order for that.
That's the only prayer, my lord.
We are not able to hear you, Mr. Pal.
Mr. Udyan Tiwari is there on corrected.
Okay.
Mr. Tiwari.
So the name appearing is Mr. Pal.
Must be some junior, my lord.
Maybe.
Mr. Udyan Tiwari is there, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Tiwari.
Am I audible, my lord?
Yes, yes, now you're audible.
They have deposited the money, but then it has to be along with the application. The application is 29/12. They have shared the clip, the receipt. The receipt is 30th. However, if the court condones and directs it, my lord,
No, we are not condoning anything. We just direct you to decide their whatever application representation what is pending with you.
My lord.
By speaking order, that's all.
My lord.
We are not condoning anything. You have to decide whether it was a delayed application or the amount has been filed with a delay, whatever it is.
My lord.
My
lord. My lord, may I respectfully submit one thing, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, if they are now asked to pass some order, my lord, then that will be a different situation, my lord. Could there be inspection but subject to my lord's orders, my lord, further orders? Otherwise, my lord, we are not insisting on implementation of the inspection, but only urgency is, my lord, 30th of June.
Mr. Nagarath, if we direct them to conduct the inspection, then it would be as good as allowing a petition that way, because your relief is the same.
My lord, conducting inspection, but the outcome of inspection may be subject to my lord's orders to be passed subsequently upon their reply, my lord. Because now what they are raising is, my lord, the receipt of the application.
So
Now,
that can be done after their reply only.
my lord, so if inspection is done, that is kept in cover with them, my lord, not implemented, and my lords may then decide their technical objection about receipt on 29th or, my lord, cutoff date first, my lord. That is the only issue.
Nagarath, they are taking an objection that they have not received the amount as well as your application before the cutoff date.
My lord, amount is not in dispute, my lord. My friend is not disputing the receipt of 18 lakh rupees, my lord. That's a bank transfer, my lord.
Before the
Bank
cutoff date.
Yes, yes. That is on 13th December, my lord, 1-3.
Yes.
That page 99, 100 and 101, my lord.
What objection Mr. Tiwari is taking there?
He is saying that although money was paid, but formal application was not received before the cutoff date, to which, my lord, we are showing that the formal application, my lord, they don't give receiving in BCI. So we had no option but to, my lord, send it through courier. And that courier is 29th and due receipt and their stamp of receiving is 30th December. Again, 2 days prior to the cutoff, my lord. Even that technical objection of application not being received before the cutoff date is concerned. Even that is there.
This application is 30th 12th.
So, my lord, even in the worst case scenario, if they come out with a hyper technical objection that this was not received on 29th or 30th, but on the 1st of January, my lords would then be required to consider 1 day's delay in condoning about the inspection team being implemented recommendation, my lord. That will be the only issue left. Otherwise, there is no other issue involved in this case, my lord.
Cutoff date was 31st December.
Yes, my lord, 31st December. Yes.
Mr. Nagarath, your petition is about rejection of your application.
Yes, my lord, the university has passed annexure P10. Now they say we have given you affiliation subject to BCI. Now the BCI has not given you formal approval till now. Therefore, we are not allowing you. That is at page 112, my lord. Everything revolves around the BCI inspection, my lord, before the cutoff date. My lord, it's a 63-year-old college, my lord.
Yeah.
One of the oldest in the state of Madhya Pradesh, my lord. Since 1961, we are having law courses, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, my respectful prayer is, my lord, kindly consider them to direct the BCI to conduct inspection and let my lord, the inspection report be there, and my lords may decide about their technical objection about 1 or 2 days delay if it is not at all there, my lord. In my submission, it is not there, my lord. As I respectfully said, my lord, nobody would deposit 18 lakh rupees on 13th of December and not even apply, my lord, for inspection by BCI, my lord. It's a huge amount deposited.
Yeah. Learned counsel for the petitioners has vehemently argued that though the amount towards the inspection was paid to the BCI prior to the cutoff date, that is 31st of December 2022. It was and even the application for carrying out the inspection was received by the BCI on 30th of December 2022. But since the inspection was not carried out, therefore,
now the university is not continuing its affiliation beyond 1 year, my lord. That is our grievance.
Therefore, the application for affiliation was rejected by the university. And now with the expiration of more than a period of 1 year, the university is not ready to accept the application for affiliation of the petitioner college. Full stop. Next paragraph. A request was made by the Learned Senior Council that, subject to the final outcome of the present petition, the BCI may be directed to carry out the inspection and submit its report. And the objections which has already been taken by the council appealing for the BCI may be submitted in black and white before this court in the reply. Stop. It was further submitted after submission of the report from the BCI at the time of final adjudication of the matter. The objections raised today, as well as that would be raised in the reply, can be taken note of, and final decision thereof can be taken. Stop. On the contrary, Shri Tiwari, appearing the BCI, submitted that since certain dispute questions of facts arises in the matter, certain dispute questions of facts arise in the matter. Therefore, time may be granted to place before this court the factual situation as to why the inspection was not carried out of the petitioner college by the BCI. And for that, he prayed for 2 weeks' time. Full stop. Next paragraph. After hearing the parties, this court in the interest of justice is expected to direct the BCI to carry out the inspection and submit its report along with the reply to the petition. So, next paragraph. In the meantime, office is directed to list the matter, the service report on the university and the other respondents. Next paragraph.
Second round, serial number 4.
Let the aforesaid exercise.
Order is being dictated by.
Let the aforesaid exercise be completed by the BCI within a period of 4 weeks. Within the period of 4 weeks. Also, list the matter in the week commencing 22nd of July.
My lord, sorry to intervene in between, my lord. May I again request for item
Serial
number
number
23, my
second
lord.
round, serial
Just
number
now
4.
I've seek the instructions, my lord. We will deposit the order, the amount as directed by this honorable court within 3 days, my lord. 25 lakhs we are ready to deposit, my lord. May kindly consider. No, just now, since I could not give any consent without seeking instructions, my lord. Since just now I've seek the instructions, my lord, remaining 10 lakh also, my lord. We are ready to deposit entire 25 lakh as per the direction of honorable court within 3 days, my lord.
You ask Mr. Deveri. We will consider.
Sir, I leave it to your lordship.
It will be considered. Otherwise, your petition has been dismissed by this court.
I go down and request your lordship, lord, since they are facing dispossession of their residential house, my lord. All the two of the members are really, they are suffering from such a disease, my lord. My lord, each and every day they are running to the hospitals, my lord. I humbly request, my lord, they have anyhow arranged 25 lakhs, my lord, they will arrange and deposit it within 3 days, my lord.
We will consider.
I am grateful.
Your lordship, praying for item number 24.
Habeas corpus, my lord. The corpus is a
Second round, serial.
Yes, serial number 4.
corpus is present and my lord, she has been produced.
Where is the corpus?
4. Serial number 4.
हाँ ना आवाज नहीं आ रही है
Yes, government advocate. क्या
corpus is present, my lord.
she wishes to go with her parents. Although my lord, she had eloped with some other boy and is said to have performed marriage ceremony with him.
Still, she wants to go with her parents.
No, she has had a change of heart, my lord.
Okay. Fine. The same order.
My lord. Because I provided the list of the staff, police staff with
Yes,
accompanied.
to the staff there.
All right, my lord, I'm obliged.
Chale.
She'd be allowed to go with her parents, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
My lord.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I am making a request, Lordship. I am submitting, Lordship. The matter pertains for urgency, Lordship. It is a demolition matter, Lordship, that a notice has been issued on 7th of June, Lordship.
कौन है?
Mentioning my court slip, Lordship. I am
mentioning है?
Lordship, the demolition matter is the notice has been issued to Tehsildar. Demolishing my Lordship, the house, Lordship.
रिप्लाई दीजिए उसका.
7 तारीख को नोटिस मिला, Lordship.
तो रिप्लाई दीजिए ना उसका.
नहीं सर, उनके द्वारा सर नोटिस दे दिया गया आज के लिए सर. आज ही का डेट कर दिया. 7 तारीख को शाम को 7 बजे नोटिस मिला मुझे सर. पिटीशन मैंने आज ही पेश करी है.
It's not possible today.
Lordship, if the matter may be listed, I will take my chance, Lordship. Honorable court for praying, mentioning court.
Yes, Mr. Devedi, कर दें इसको allow कर दें. Demolition matter.
देख लीजिए सर, कर लीजिए जैसा भी.
चलिए लिस्ट कर दीजिए आज. Allow कर दीजिए mention.
Yes, sir.
I am mentioning your Lordship. Your Lordship, I am requesting for item number 24, your Lordship. Am I audible, your Lordship?
Item number 24 has been adjourned already.
Lordship, there is an urgency, your Lordship. Lordship, kindly see the last order, Lordship.
The PIL, there is no urgency.
Lordship, in this PIL, there is a problem of water logging, your Lordship, and ensuing monsoon, your Lordship. This matter was listed today, your Lordship. Lordship, I am requesting it may be listed on 30.
का water logging भाई, पानी नहीं है पीने के लोगों को. गर्मी में किस water logging?
Your Lordship, there is other problems also, your Lordship. Lordship, kindly see the last order.
कब list किया इसको?
Lordship, I am saying it may be listed on 13th this month.
3rd week of July. चलिए.
All right, your Lordship.
May I mention conviction for the 1 year and already in the jail since 1 month, your Lordship. Offense under section 304A, the revision against the conviction, your Lordship.
इंदौर हो गया connect? Yes, item number 1, Mr. Devedi.
जी सर.
पहले इंदौर और कोलियर पीडीओ की मीटिंग करते हैं. अब इंदौर में डीपी चालू है, कोलियर पीडीओ की.
ताला होगा, पर बाहर निकल रहा है घर में.